This is gonna blow your mind. Creamy chicken pasta in just 5 easy steps, believe it. Step 1. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add 1 cup of diced chicken breast, season with salt and pepper, and cook until golden brown. Set aside. Step 2. Boil water in a large pot, add 200 grams of pasta and cook until al dente. Drain and set aside. Step 3. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Sauté 2 minced garlic cloves, then stir in 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Gradually add 1½ cups of milk, stirring until thickened. Mix in 1/2 cup each of grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Season with salt, pepper, and optional Italian herbs. Step 4. Combine the pasta and chicken with the white sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Step 5. Plate your delicious creamy chicken pasta and garnish with extra cheese or fresh parsley if you like. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.